here. I've been waiting for it for quite a few weeks now. It's finally arrived. It's the Hypergo 1/7 scale Citroen C3 World Rally car. It's big, it's fast, it's 4S, it's four-wheel drive, it's super scale detail. Can't wait to get the box open. Welcome to RC Scale Tales. We're back in the garage and another new car joins the fleet. So just a quick look at the box art. Absolutely stunning. Car looks amazing. It's 1/7 scale, so it will sit nicely with other large vehicles currently in the RC Scale Tales fleet. It's a Citroen C3, a French car, world rally car. This is licensed. It's the Hypergo. It's 4S, so this is my first 4S vehicle. So really excited to get this one outside and try it out on the track and see how this thing goes. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Take the wrap off. The detail on this is incredible. Now the body is Lexan, but the actual shell has been enhanced with lots of additional parts, like the body detail up here, flares at the side of the sills, at the back, spoiler, nice detail with the light lenses, mirrors, wipers, and inside we have a driver and navigator, and interior. Looks absolutely stunning. If I pull back to show you the size of this thing, it almost fills my little garage. This thing is incredible. Very, very impressed. Just as a model out of the box, it looks amazing. So let's have a closer look on the inside. There's the chassis in all its glory. So let's have a look at the electronics. First of all, there's your motor. It's a 2500 kV brushless motor, complete with 2 fans. We have a 120 amp ESC with a 3rd fan. Up front, we have a 35 kilo servo, and we also have a gyro to keep this driving relatively straight. Very chunky oil-filled shocks, front and rear. Very, very chunky bar across the middle. A brace. Metal drive shafts. Center diff. Absolutely superb. The suspension on this is very cool. Look at that. Lots of travel. Nice racing wheels. Look at the size of the wheel nut. A tub. Protection from debris, gravel, small stones. Won't keep everything out, but we'll keep most of the big stuff out. Everything is easily accessible. The car itself screams quality. Very well put together. Let's have a look underneath. decent hardware, keeping all the bits together with Allen screw heads. Plastic tie sticking there. Very, very nice indeed. Can't wait to get this out. XT60 connector. Nice big battery tray with not one Velcro fastener, but 3. Very, very nice indeed. Sturdy body supports for the Lexan body. So here, have a look at the body shell again. Lots and lots of detail. Now it is Lexan, but it's relatively heavy for what it is. Like in the body pins, actually held on with rubber wire. Nice light lenses at the front. Very, very cool. The mirror has mirrored glass. Lots of detail. Very, very nice. So let's see what else you get in the box. So in the box, you get a nice little manual. Lots of information about the car in English and Chinese. You get a very nice little controller with all the adjustments that you need. All the usual adjustments. You can steer it one-handed. Yeah, it's not bad. You also get some tools. Big wrench, little wrench, and lots of Allen keys. And a rather cool set of rally block tires. So I'm actually going to put these on the car now, because the next time you see this car will be at Knockhill as part of the Colin McRae Challenge weekend. And we'll tear around the little track we'll set up there. And then afterwards we'll do a little sum up. But so far, I think this rally car is absolutely awesome. Well, there it is, the 1/7 scale Citroen C3 World Rally car from Hypergo. It looks absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to take this little RC rally car trackside, dropping a 4S battery in there and giving it a blast around the gravel track. I can't wait, and I'm hoping it's going to go as good as it looks. What did you think of the car? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think about the video, the channel. Good or bad, I will reply. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. It really does help the channel going forward. Leaves me to say, I'll catch you on the next RC Scale Tales video. Thanks for watching. All the best. Bye-bye.